Hey, Randy. It's your sweet lovebird, and I think it's a female. But she's kind of shy, so when you first get her, like, kind of wrap her up in a little cloth, like, and then you can talk to her right on the side of her head. Look a good birdie. Look a good birdie. Yes, you are. Look a good birdie. And that calms them. And you can do that for quite a while. It's just going to take a day or so for her to, get familiar with you, which you really looks like an eagle, don't you think? You look like an eagle. Yes, you do. You look beautiful. And come on, good girl. So, like on her back, she likes her feet held when you do this. She likes to have her feet, around your finger. Yeah, you're a beautiful bird. You've got a very pretty sheen. Looks like satin up here. Yeah. Oh, honey, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Look at me. And she was right around just like in one place, like a brooch, like you walk around with a lapel pin that's actually a bird. Yeah. That goes to Randy.